It's great working with organizations like Breaking Barriers and EDF, the Environmental Defense Fund, because of their knowledge of the funding that's available out there.
There are a lot of funding opportunities that are popping up to help fleets procure EVs, install charging equipment and infrastructure. And EDF has been actively looking at ways to just break down that information, make it a lot more digestible for fleets, and help them move their projects forward.
With the Fleet Decarbonization Accelerator, our goal is to help save organizations time and money to create an actionable fleet decarbonization plan. We cover everything from EV 101 to the different types of vehicles, to infrastructure, to funding, to fleet operations, to change management.
We're constantly applying for grants and other opportunities to stand up our electric fleet, bring on battery resiliency strategy for the Northeast Portland community, even looking at doing a commercial charging infrastructure station so that more heavy-duty vehicles can actually come and recharge here.
We've obtained a lot of support from our local utility, Portland General Electric, who provided us an opportunity to apply on the Drive Change Grant, which enabled us to buy the actual truck, and it contributed to the whole project development in terms of the infrastructure as well as the charger itself to make this project a reality.
There was no playbook when we started this. It was us just trying to figure it out. We had a huge partner in Seattle City Light, our local PUD. They were able to help us get connected. They provide a lot of support and grant dollars as well. Having a dream and having an idea allowed us to partner with a number of other 501c3s, climate advocacy groups, and that allowed us just to have a lot of conversations with a lot of people. So the ultimate objective really is net zero, get our fleet to net zero. We're going to make every effort we can to keep moving in that direction. Surrounding yourself with those kinds of people is key.